What are insects? Insects are a diverse group of invertebrate animals belonging to the class Insecta within the phylum Arthropoda. They are characterized by several key features. 1. Body segmentation. Insects have a segmented body divided into 3 main parts: the head, thorax, and abdomen. 2. 6 legs. Typically, insects have 6 jointed legs attached to the thorax, which gives them their name, as insect comes from the Latin word insectum, meaning cut into sections. 3. Exoskeleton. Insects have an external skeleton or exoskeleton made of a tough, rigid substance called chitin. This exoskeleton provides support and protection. 4. Antennae. Most insects have 1 or 2 pairs of antennae on their heads, which are sensory appendages used for detecting chemical, tactile, and environmental cues. 5. Compound eyes. Insects often have large, complex compound eyes made up of multiple small lenses, allowing them to perceive their surroundings. 6. Wings. Many insects have 1 or 2 pairs of wings attached to the thorax. Some, like flies, have only 1 pair, while others, like beetles, have hardened forings called elytra. 10. Importance of insects. Pollination. Insects, especially bees and butterflies, play a crucial role in pollinating flowering plants, including many of our food crops. Decomposition. Insects are important decomposers, breaking down dead organic matter and recycling nutrients back into ecosystems. Food source. Insects are a primary food source for many animals, including birds, amphibians, and reptiles. Biological control. Predatory insects help control pest populations in agriculture by feeding on harmful insects. Disease vectors. While negative, some insects are important in disease transmission, which highlights the need for disease control measures. Silk production. Silkworms are used in the production of silk, a valuable textile material. Honey production. Bees produce honey, a natural sweetener and important commercial product. Ecosystem services. Insects contribute to various ecosystem services, such as nutrient cycling and soil aeration. Scientific research. Insects serve as model organisms for scientific research in fields like genetics and behavior.
Sign up for Patreon to get premium content.